and welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. So this one is for November of 2021, and we're gonna dive right in. So, first thing we've got is our little booklet, and the cover looks like this. The note inside says, "That's classic. I wear black t-shirts so often you would think I had stock in the Gap. I love a look that is as easy as it is polished. I rely on the beauty version of that, radiant skin with smudgy eyes all season long, but it requires a little more finesse than a v-neck. So your box is equipped with full routines for dewy skin and dramatic eyes with shortcuts for each. There's a K-Beauty prep step for all-day radiance, layer it under the whipped cream and face oil, tap extra oil onto cheeks for a natural highlight, then sheet at smoldering eyes with a Tarte liner and shadow, and up their drama with an easy-to-use lash curler and a Wander Beauty mascara that you'll be one of the first to try." So, we also have our card of, extra boxes you can buy. So first thing we've got in here, let's find it. Okay. Ooh, the box is a little janky on it, but that's okay. So this is the Tarte Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner in Rose Gold, Luster, and Black. Oh, that's trippy. Okay, so you can see the different ends and the different colors. Oh, I like that. This retails for $25, and this is full size. The precise liner and shimmery shadow are exactly what every great cat eye requires. Why, you'll love it. On one end, you'll find one of the smoothest black liners you'll ever try. The creamy texture glides along your lash line for major color payoff. On the other, a rose gold shadow stick for brightening up your eyes. How you'll use it. Trace your upper lashes with the liner and then run the shadow stick right on top for the easiest smudgy, smoky eyes. Use a clean finger to blend the shadow up and out for even more smokiness. When you want a more graphic look, the precise liner creates smooth, intense cat eyes. Use the rose gold to the inner corners of your eyes. Definitely gonna have fun playing with that. My goodness. That's going into the to be immediately reviewed soon pile. Next page. Okay. So this is from Wander Beauty, and I think this is another full-sizer. This is their Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes Treatment Mascara. This mascara is a magic wand for delivering special effects like major lengthening. Retails for $26. Why, you'll love it. This mascara gives eyes all the glam without the unwanted drama of smudging, flaking, and clumping. Its hourglass brush is covered with comb-like bristles to separate every single lash for maximum definition. Plus, the jet black formula is infused with conditioning peptides and nourishing panthenol, so lashes are nourished with every swipe. How you'll use it. Apply 1 or 2 coats for a my lashes but better effect, or layer on the buildable mess-free mascara for a perfectly fanned-out fringe. Also going in these the immediately reviewed pile, I have 2 mascaras to review in short order here, but both of them sound really good. So next, this was where I was initially a little sus when I saw this was in there. It's literally just an eyelash curler. So this is by Ico, and it's just their eyelash curler. I do like that it's blue, though. It's my favorite color. Try giving the curler 5 quick pulses instead of just clamping it down for the most natural curl. This retails for $15, which blows my fucking mind, because it just looks like your average run-of-the-mill curler. Why, you'll love it. You don't need a surgeon's steady hand to get lifted curled lashes. The gentle arc and cushy pad of this tool make it easy to use, no accidental pinching here, and the handle rests comfortably on your cheek to make curling a breeze. How you'll use it. There are so many different techniques for curling your lashes, but we love this one shared by a top makeup artist. Curl your lashes by the base, apply 1 coat of mascara, let it dry completely, curl again, then apply more mascara. Waiting a few seconds before going back in with the curler is key. If your lashes are wet, they may stick to the curler or clump. They will also make a complete and total mess of your curler, so I mean, you want to be absolutely friggin' sure that it's dry if you're gonna do that. I have done that method before, and while it does work, again, just make absolutely freaking sure that it is totally dry and it's not one that's gonna transfer onto your tools, because that's no fun. So, Let's see here. Everything looks really just run-of-the-mill with it, honestly. Oh, it comes with an extra curler. Boo! Comes with silica gel. Go away, silica gel! We know my feelings there. Okay. So we'll have to keep this little baggy so we don't lose the little extra pad for it. Because they, believe it or not, are not totally interchangeable. Oh, it's weirdly matte. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. Feels very chalkboardy. Nice and cushy, but I am worried about, is it gonna pull? We can go ahead and try it right now. I don't give a shit, but I am worried, not gonna lie. Yeah, they lied about the no pinching. This is just like the one I already have. It does the same shit that it does. Yeah, this is literally just like a standard run-of-the-mill eyelash curler. I mean, it works. It's an eyelash curler. There's not much to see here. I mean, even without makeup on, it does help. But I mean, that's just what an eyelash curler does. So, I mean, you don't need to be paying $15 for an eyelash curler to do the same thing. Just saying. Just saying. I've had better ones that don't pinch like that. So that's 2 in a row now that have done that. And I'm like, I don't like that. Don't like that. Not one bit. Nope. Use it anyway, though. It's still better than the other one I've got. I mean, it pinches, but it isn't pinching as bad as that one does. So, I mean, it is what it is. Okay. Next one. Where is this? Is it you? Yeah. Okay. This is a sample size for sure, because the full size looks like that. And we've got like a little bitty bottle in here. This is the Wamisa Organic Flowers Toner Deep Rich. Full size is $43. Use this to hydrate and smooth the delicate skin on your neck too. Why, you'll love it. If you haven't already tried hydrating toner, you are in for a treat. The prep step makes skin look so much dewier than moisturizer alone. This formula has a soft water-like texture, a subtle rose scent, and a radiant finish. The whole shebang makes you feel, smell, and look like you just came from a facial. How you'll use it. This is meant to be the first step in your morning skincare routine. Well, not really. Wash your face first, then use it. Smooth about a nickel-size amount onto damp, freshly cleansed skin. See, therefore not step 1 even by their own admission. And then give it a few seconds to absorb before layering your other products on top. You can finish with a serum, cream, and or facial oil in that order, and sunscreen always goes last. Well, no shit, Sherlock. So, okay. Next, we have... Okay, again, a little teeny tiny sample size, because full size is $48, and full size looks like that. The Neogen Dermology Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. This airy cream is hydrating enough that you can wear it on its own, even on the most blustery days. Why, you'll love it. Inside this pretty pink jar is a whipped, luxurious cream that coddles the skin, a much-needed and appreciated feat during colder months. It's formulated with smoothing peptides, 11 of them to be exact, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and nourishing ceramide to moisturize skin and give it a bouncy, slightly lifted effect. How you'll use it. Slather it on under sunscreen each morning to give fine lines and laxity a 1-2 punch while making skin dewy. It layers nicely over other skincare products like your new Wamisa toner or your usual serum, but it's also hydrating enough that you can wear it solo on days when you want a more minimal routine. So that's cool. Next. There's another page there. Okay. This is the Tilly Ani Self-Care Night Recovery Oil. I'm pretty sure this is sample size. Pretty sure, because that's the one on bottom is what this is. Full size is $72, so yeah, this has to be sample sized. Why, you'll love it. There is nothing quite like waking up after using this face oil and realizing your skin feels much more hydrated than normal. The blend is stacked with moisturizing squalane and a mighty list of plant-derived extracts, including calendula and chamomile. How you'll use it. Smooth it on as the last step in your nighttime routine, or use it alone for smoother, softer skin the next day. Okay. So I can go there for now. This is a sample size, but the full size looks like it's just double this size. So this is a decent size sample. So this is Simply by Helena Simple Cleanser. So the 4-ounce size is $30. So yeah, I'm good with this size, thanks. Why, you'll love it. The milky texture, subtle lavender scent, ooh, and soothing ingredients, chamomile water and goat's milk, work together to create a spa-like zen experience. A perfect beginning and end to every day. How you'll use it. Massage a dime-sized amount across damp skin in circular motions to remove makeup, even mascara, and skincare. Okay, sounds pretty nice. Let's just put that guy right here. I do have a method to my madness, guys, really. I know it doesn't look like I do, but I do. And then... oh, come here, you bugger. It's wanting to stick to the bottom of the box. Because it's, like, so tightly wedged in there that it's like, no, you can't make me go. Come on. Come on. Don't mind me. Wait. Yeah, okay, no! It slid back, no! Okay. So this is one of those things where it's kind of just an ad that they threw on the back and then threw in a sample of, but this is the acne fighting formulas with dermatologist grade acid complex. So it's Neutrogena's Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. So we've got like this sachet bump of serum, which, okay, that's definitely more than a use, which is nice. But at the same time, it's like, how do you reseal that after you open it? Makes me nervous. Full size looks like that, so it's not very much. But, this lightweight formula absorbs quickly and is designed to blend effortlessly on all skin tones under moisturizer and/or makeup. It's got 0.5 salicylic acid, dermatologist grade, 10% glycolic and mandelic, and polyhydroxy acid complex. It's formulated with 5% glycolic acid, AHA, exfoliates to help remove stubborn, pore-clogging debris that can cause acne and make pores look larger. 2.5% mandelic acid, AHA, effective exfoliator for oily and acne-prone skin. 2.5% polyhydroxy acid, PHA, to increase skin clarity without over-drying. And salicylic acid, BHA, to clear blackheads and prevent acne from forming. Clinically proven, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic formula developed for stubborn acne. Formulated without parabens, oils, phthalates, dyes, or fragrances. This product sample is for demonstration purposes only. So, yeah, they kind of just chuck that in at the end. It's not much. They do that sometimes with Allure, where it's like, this wasn't really part of our box, but they paid us to throw this in there, so here you go. It's like the tiniest little sample of a thing, but it's okay. It's cool. So, anyways, that's it for the November box, so hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.